Hello everybody, how are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Welcome to Ishuri Icyongereza YouTube channel. My name is Jean de Dieu Wingabiye, your English teacher, and I'm here with my partner. Today we are going to talk English, a pair conversation. Please, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Aline and I'm here to assist him.
Thank you so much for having accepted to follow us here at Ishuri Icyongereza from Rwanda. So let's get started with our normal conversations. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Are you an American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Let's explain the conversation.
Hello.
Hello ni indamukanyo ivuga ngo muraho. Ikoreshwa ku bantu wisanzuyeho.
Hi.
Hi ni igisubizo. Umuntu wabwiye hello ashobora kugusubiza hello cyangwa agakoresha hi. Zombi zirakoreshwa kimwe.
How are you?
How are you bisobanuye ngo umeze ute cyangwa amakuru yawe. Hano twakoresheje ijambo how. Muzagenda muribona ahantu henshi cyane biba bivuga uko ibintu bigenda. Ariko muri iki kiganiro how are you ni ukuvuga ngo umeze gute. How bisobanuye gute. Twakoreshejemo verb to be. Are you ariko mu kibazo. Iyo tubaza mu Cyongereza dukora turacurika. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo how you are, how are you. Nabigishije verb to be nuba tutayitindaho cyane.
I'm good, how are you?
Icyo ni igisubizo utanga bakubajije ngo how are you. Ni ukuvuga ngo meze neza. Kimwe hari abantu bakunda kuvuga ngo I'm fine cyangwa kwivugira I'm okay. Byose ni ibisubizo bivuga ko umeze neza. Nawe ukahita ikibazo nka cya kindi ngo how are you, wowe umeze gute.
Good, do you speak English?
Meze neza. Good urumva ko ari kimwe na bya bindi. Ushobora kureka verb to be ukavuga ngo I'm cyangwa se ukavuga ngo good utakoresheje I'm. Noneho arambajije ngo uvuga Icyongereza. Iyo tubaza ikibazo mu rurimi rw'Icyongereza dutangiriza ijambo do you ku buzima bwa buri munsi. Ni nk'uko akavuze mu Kinyarwanda ngo ese ibi nibi urabikora. Do you speak English? Ushobora gusimbuza speak ikindi gikorwa ugira ngo umenye niba koko gikorwa utangije iryo jambo do you. Do you speak English? Niyo mpamvu umuntu uguteza amatwi ashobora kwemera cyangwa agahakana. Reka twumve icyo basubije.
A little, are you an American?
Yarasubije ngo a little. A little ni ijambo rivuga ngo gahoro cyangwa se gike. Iyo ari cyiza uvuga very well. Ariko hano ugahita ubaza ngo are you American? American ni ubwene gihugu. Hano mu Rwanda twebwe twavuga ngo are you Rwandan? Ubwo iyo uvuga ubwene gihugu hari ibihugu bitandukanye. Iyo tuvuze umunyarwanda tuvuga Rwandan, umunyamerika American, muri Canada Canadian, Burundian, Ugandan. Uzagenda wumva igihugu hajeho an. Ibyinshi bikunze gukoreshwaho an.
Yes.
Iyo wemeye uravuga ngo yes. Ubushize niba ukurikira ku biganiro byanjye nabigishije uburyo butandukanye bwo kuvuga yes. Ubwo rero ushobora gukoresha kimwe muri ibyo ngibyo ukemera. Yes ni ukuvuga ngo yego.
Where are you from?
Where bisobanuye ngo ni hehe. Iyo ushaka kumenya agace umuntu aturukamo urabaza where are you from. Bivuze ngo uri uwo mu kahe gace. Nakubwiye igihugu nawe ariko nahagana hehe.
I'm from California.
Nawe ugasubiza gutyo ngo I'm from California. Nawe rero wavuga ngo I'm from Rwanda. Bivuze ngo nturutse muri ako gace. Hano bavuze California, vuga Rwanda. I'm from Rwanda.
Nice to meet you.
Nice bivuga ikintu cyiza. Iyo uvuze ngo nice to meet you, to meet ni uguhura. Iyo ubwiye umuntu ngo nice to meet you, wishimiye ko mumenyanye cyangwa muhuye. Nice to meet you. You ivuga wowe.
Nice to meet you too.
Nawe ugasubiramo nice to meet you too. Iyo rero usubije umuntu usubiyemo nk'ibyo yavuze wongeraho ijambo to. Abantu bazi igifaransa bisobanuye aussi. Nanjye nuko. Thanks. This is the end of conversation number 1.